be coming out before Bill leaves.
Oh, probably after, but...
Boo, Bill!
Boo fucking you.
We'd like to thank our special friends in the back. Matthew, our old drummer, heckling us. Say hello, Matthew.
He will dance for you naked for $10. Not bullshit you not.
$7.
$7. Look at this motherfucker. He's just wholesale. This is like goodies in the back of fucking New Brookland Tavern.
All right, let's go. Birds of Prey.
Thank you very much.
The next one's a cover song
Oh, we're doing a cover?
that Bill's gonna sing.
Oh,
All right,
Jesus Christ.
Bill! Keep me warm?
That'll keep you warm all night. It might make you throw up, I don't know. That bathroom's pretty hard, but...